Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to add YouTube channel link to Roblox. Now for that, open the Roblox application first. Once you open the Roblox app, you tap on the dotted lines inside the circle at the very bottom right corner. And here you need to scroll down and then tap on settings. In the setting, you need to tap on account info on the top. Tap that. It will direct you to the account information piece of yours. And here, if you scroll down, you will have all this social network option. And here you will be able to provide all the links that you want to add on Roblox. There's the option of YouTube channel link as well. You just type in your YouTube link or YouTube URL over here and your YouTube channel will be added. Or you can just copy paste your link. For that, open the YouTube. Once you're at the channel piece, all you need to do is tap on the edit and you need to copy this channel URL. Copy it. Once you get copied, all you need to do is paste it on the YouTube text box over here. Now you need to make sure that you save these changes. For that, tap on save on the bottom. And after that, that URL will be added. So this is how you can add a YouTube link to your Roblox account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.